Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of building the Ecto-1. We're continuing the door that we've been building a while for a couple of issues now. We're going to be putting the frame on this time. First of all, we've got to put the rubber seal onto the inside here. So this is rubber backed, plastic backed. Adhesive backed is the word I'm looking for. I need to peel that off of there. Come on, off you come. There we go. That's one little bit. Take it all off there actually first. Get rid of that. And that should help me line this up. This is going to help stop the glass from getting scratched as it slides up and down, goes in and out. So it's sort of as close to the edge as you can, getting it stuck down there. So there we go, that's that. This then fits into there, behind that, and then in at the top. Lined up properly, it will fit. There we go. That goes into the front of it like that, little trim piece. Then we've got some screws to do. We've got 5 little screws, 3 across the top, 1 at the bottom there, and then the 3 on the inside of that. Let me get those put in because I've got to hold this while I'm doing that. So it's not the easiest of things to do. Then these go on the outside, so I'll show you that in a minute. So there we go, that's that all attached in there, nice and secure, ready for the window to go into it at some point. But now we've got to put these decorative pieces on. That's obviously the long one that goes across the top, and these will go one either side. This one's going to be this side because of the shaping of it, you can tell. So this one's going to go over that side. So what we'll do is peel off the backing, just like that. Doing these, I find it's much easier to start at one end, work your way around. So take the backing off of there. That'll locate down into the bottom there, and then up there. The other one off because I don't need that yet. Then the long one across the top. Take the backing off of that. Come on. That's it. Rid of that. That should go into that corner there, lining up with that bit. And that will then come all the way along to there, like so. And then the final one does exactly the same down this side. And that should line up nicely all the way along. Get that in that corner there. And that does indeed meet up down there. So that is that. Next time we've got the window to fit, then I think the mechanism, and then next time we'll be putting the outside together and fitting the door to the rest of the body. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.